Hey guys, welcome to Cute Tea Drawings. Today I'll be drawing Claire from Fundamental Paper Education. I'll be drawing on my tablet, but you can also follow along on paper, and please remember to like and subscribe. Okay, now let's get started. Okay, let's start off at the top and let's draw the face. Let's start with a curve down and back up. Now from the top right, let's draw a curve down and towards the center for the top of the eye. And another curve underneath. And then let's add a curve down in the center. Next on top, let's draw the eyebrow by starting with two small lines and then curve it down to the right. Now top down and let's draw a curve for the mouth. And that's it for the face. Now let's start drawing the hair. Next to the eye, let's draw a curve across. And then a skinny V-shaped point up and back down. Then let's curve it out to the left and back up. Now let's move back over on top of the eye and let's draw a V shape up and down. And then curve it out on the right next to the eye. And up from the end. Now from both sides, let's bring it down and up. Now top on top in the center and let's draw a curve across. And then curve it down on both sides. Now on top of the head, let's draw two V-shaped points going up. And that's it for the top part of the hair. Now let's move down and let's draw the bottom sections. Underneath on the left, let's draw a curve down and out. And angle it back in and up. And let's add a piece on the right side in the same way. Now let's draw another rectangle piece down. And then one more again on both sides. And that's it for the head. Now let's move in and let's start drawing the body. Underneath the head, let's draw two angled lines down and out. And then two V-shaped points underneath to close off the collar. And then inside, let's draw a diamond shape. Now next to the collar, let's draw a curve on both sides for the back of the hair. Next, let's hop down and let's draw an angled line down and out on both sides for the tops of the shoulders. And then underneath this line, let's angle it out and back in like this. Then let's bring it down for the waist and a curve across the bottom. Now inside on the shirt, let's draw two circles for the buttons. Now underneath the shirt here, let's hop down and let's draw the hands on the hips. Let's start with an angled line underneath both sides. Then from the inside, let's angle it down and out. And then a bent line on top. And close it off at the bottom. And lastly, let's draw a curve inside near the top. Now before we draw the arms, let's add the shorts. Underneath the hands, let's draw an angled line down and out. Then let's hop to the center and let's draw a line down and 2 angles underneath. And then a curve underneath to close off each side. Next, let's hop inside and let's draw a curve at the bottom of each short leg. And then on top, on the left, let's draw a line down and angle it back to the center. And that's it for the shorts. Now let's hop out and add the arms. From the shoulders, let's angle it down and out. And then another angle inside. Then let's hop in slightly and let's draw a curve across back to the body. And then from the outside line, let's angle it in with a bent line. And that's it for the upper body. Now let's move down and draw the legs. Underneath, let's start with 2 angled lines down. And then another one on the outside. And then close off the bottom of each leg. And lastly, inside at the bottom, let's draw 2 lines across. And that's it for Claire. Now let's quickly color it in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching!